Welcome to the Forestry. Get ready to see steel beasts in action, shredding cars, tearing metal, grinding wood, and pulverizing plastic in seconds. Stay tuned to feel the raw force of industrial destruction unfold. In the world of scrap metal, this ROTER car press turns chaos into order. Its massive chamber swallows entire vehicles, and with a single hydraulic crush, spits out dense, uniform bales ready for transport. Power, precision, and speed. This machine is built to redefine recycling efficiency. In the scrapyard arena, the LeFor 1400 turns chaos into order. Its massive jaws grab tangled metal like prey, feeding it into a crushing chamber that compresses hulking scrap into neat, dense blocks. Speed, precision, and raw force. This machine transforms waste into pure efficiency. CM Shredder's hybrid dual-shaft tire shredders turn piles of worn-out rubber into high-value material. With hook and shear or patented insert knives slashing knife cost by 300%, they crush, shred, and size-reduce tires at industrial speed, cutting through tough rubber like it's paper. Industrial shredders like this one chew through bulky metal in seconds. Massive twin shafts tear bikes, beams, and scrap into uniform pieces, turning heavy waste into manageable resources at record speed. The Pressimeca 18-02NV tire shredder turns mountains of rubber into clean, uniform fragments at lightning speed. Twin-cutting rotors slice even the largest tires with relentless precision, while its automated conveyors feed and discharge seamlessly. High-performance engineering meets modern waste innovation. The Arges VZ950DK is built to dominate with its powerful double-shaft shredder. Engineered for high efficiency, this machine effortlessly tears through tough materials, including cars and large debris. With exceptional torque and speed, it's a must-have for any tough shredding job. SSI dual shear M160 monster turns massive compressed aluminum bales into neat strips in seconds. Its twin slow-speed shafts deliver crushing torque, tearing the toughest metal apart, giving uniform output, slashing costs, and pushing recycling speed far beyond anything in its class. Two-shaft shredders face scrap engines head-on, their twin rotors tearing iron apart with unstoppable force, every spin turning waste into victory for recycling. The SSI PRIMA XPR 4000 devours aluminum siding and extrusion bales with unstoppable torque. Its low-speed, high-shear shafts rip metal cleanly, boosting throughput and cutting prep time, turning bulky scrap into uniform feedstock ready for the next process. The SSI Crusher turns bulky appliances into compact blocks with surgical precision. Its controlled compression force flattens fridges, washers, and carts into dense cubes, cutting landfill volume and powering next-level recycling efficiency in every press. Meet the Hamel VB 950 DK Red Giant, the mobile car shredder that swallows whole vehicles and spits out clean, sortable scrap. Its twin shafts and unstoppable torque turn hulks into bite-sized metal in minutes, driving high-speed recycling and turning automotive waste into raw material gold. From a mighty earth mover to twisted steel, this is where the journey ends. The Hitachi ZX series doesn't hesitate. Its bucket crushes decades of service into silence, forging scrap for tomorrow. No ceremony, just raw power. One last lift, one final bow, a quiet end to a loud legacy. The CAT 621B scraper, once a titan of earth moving, now meets its end in a controlled scrap process. Giant claws tear through its frame, while industrial shredders reduce tons of steel to reusable fragments, showing how modern recycling turns massive waste into valuable resources. In seconds, 53 gallons of solid steel are turned into scrap. No sci-fi here, just pure power in action. Amid the roar of conveyors and the thunder of steel, the C&D waste processing line with its Zambezi crusher devours concrete, timber, and scrap with unstoppable force, transforming piles of debris into clean, reusable material and setting a new benchmark for modern recycling power. Meet the Pezzolato PTH 1300-1500M, a drum chipper built for titans, packing a monstrous 1150 HP Cat engine. It chews through timber with ease, cranking out up to 400 cubic meters of premium wood chips per hour. With radio remote control, you get unmatched power, efficiency, and full command at your fingertips. The Pezzolato All-Road is an absolute beast. Raw power meets agility. It chews through timber like nothing, turning logs into perfect chips in seconds. And that cabin? Pure comfort for long days on the job. A dream machine for wood pros, efficient, tough, and built to impress. The Teuton Z55 isn't just another grinder, it's a demolition beast. From stumps to mattresses, farm plastics to bulky bags, it devours everything in its path, turning oversized waste into uniform material and proving why it's the benchmark for unstoppable shredding power. The HAA-SHAZ makes pallets, wooden boxes, and boards disappear in seconds. Its blades rip with raw precision, turning bulky timber waste into uniform shreds. Efficient, economical, and built for non-stop action, it's the smart way to cut costs and reclaim space with every pass. Aluminum cans meet their second life here. This compact hydraulic press crushes thousands into dense, gleaming cubes in seconds. Fast, efficient, and endlessly recyclable, turning everyday waste into high-value resource blocks for the circular economy. Watch the ES9135D rotor cutter in action. Industrial precision turning tangled control cables into clean, separated strands. Its powerful blades and smart feed system make dismantling effortless, while the integrated recycling crusher transforms liberated materials into sorted, high-value resources ready for reuse. The Urec Faro 950 isn't just a shredder, it's a force of nature. With twin-shaft power and massive torque, it devours entire cars like this Porsche Cayenne, reducing luxury metal to recyclable fragments in minutes. Precision, speed, and unstoppable strength redefine what auto recycling looks like. The Zato Blue Devil GF4000 isn't just a shredder, it's a monster in disguise. With twin-shaft rotary power and 400 horsepower under the hood, it chews through entire car bodies like a document shredder through junk mail. Built tough for non-stop metal mayhem, it delivers clean cuts, zero mercy, and pure industrial domination. The Hamel 450 is a powerhouse built to devour. Nothing escapes its steel jaws. Even dense hardwood pallets vanish into neat, reusable shreds within seconds, transforming heavy waste into raw materials ready for production and protecting the environment at the same time. The Deere 1050J bulldozer roared forward, its massive mechanical arms swinging with precision as it tore apart the mobile home. Dust filled the air as onlookers watched in amazement, unable to tear their eyes away from the devastation. The scene was violent, filled with raw power and chaos. The RS60 turns oil filter recycling into an eco-friendly powerhouse. With precision shredding and fluid separation, it recovers valuable metals and reduces waste volume, making industrial recycling cleaner and more profitable. The XR3000RC Mobily fuses, green tech with raw power. Its Una EcoDrive slashes energy use by 75% while chewing through 40 tons per hour of wood waste to 100mm chips. Fast swap screens adapt instantly, making every feed efficient, consistent, and ready for high-value recycling with minimal downtime. The Enerpat hard drive shredder isn't just a shredder, it's a twin-shaft powerhouse. In one pass, it annihilates up to 40 drives at once, reducing them to unrecognizable fragments. Industrial precision meets total data destruction, turning secrets into secure scrap in seconds. Built for non-stop industrial reliability, the Pezzolato TLA 22 plus TB 1200 turns raw logs into uniform firewood with precision engineering. Its automated feed lines and rugged build deliver high throughput, consistent size, and long-term durability, trusted by energy providers across Germany. The Lindner Araco HW5-5 devours bulky waste with unstoppable efficiency, churning mountains into uniform fractions every hour. How many tons do you think it crushes? Drop your guess below. The green iron bars once stood defiant against time and corrosion, but inside the idol's 4-inch cut single-pass shredder, they meet their match. With shark-like jaws, it chews steel in seconds, transforming twisted scrap into uniform raw material, ready for a new life in manufacturing. From bulky beams to splintered boards, Ecomax 800 devours wood waste and turns it into consistent chips in one smooth flow. High output, low effort shredding that slashes landfill loads and powers next-gen recycling. The WEMA WLK1500 redefines plastic recycling. With relentless power, it shreds bottles, labels, and caps in one seamless run. Every piece of waste is reduced to uniform fractions, ready for reuse, It's the industrial answer to turning plastic chaos into clean, manageable resources. The hardened two-shaft hydraulic waste shredder devours even the toughest scrap with controlled crushing torque. Its twin shafts tear through bulky metal and waste, delivering uniform fragments ready for recycling and energy recovery, turning industrial chaos into clean, manageable output. The CBI ChipMax 484 isn't just any chipper. It's a powerhouse with 50% faster processing than rivals. Handling logs up to 24-inch diameter, it's perfect for fuel chips or microchips. What sets it apart? Customizability. CBI delivers tailored solutions. Efficient, powerful, adaptable, a smart investment for pros. Looks like the shredder is going full beast mode. The way it crushes that wood like it's nothing, totally unstoppable. The logs don't stand a chance as they get devoured. Honestly, it's like watching a monster at work, and that crunch sound, so satisfying. Don't miss out on this power. Hit subscribe. Check out the Lindner RZT1500 in action. This beast is engineered for high-efficiency shredding, combining a spacious hopper, moving floor, and conveyor system to keep the materials flowing smoothly. No jamming, just constant shredding, designed for the highest volume jobs.